Hello and welcome to Reading Readiness with the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. We're thrilled that you've joined us for tips and tricks to help your child on their journey toward reading. My name is Leigha and I am the Children's and Youth Services and Collections Librarian for NLPL. Reading picture books provides children with many of the skills that are necessary for school readiness: vocabulary, sound structure, the meaning of print, the structure of stories and language, sustained attention development, the pleasure of learning, and also it encourages empathy, curiosity, motivation, and it builds self-esteem. The purpose of the Reading Readiness prompts is to help you and your child on their journey by giving you the tools you will both need for your child to become lifelong readers. We look forward to getting ready to read with you. See you soon and happy reading.